So we arrived at the endocrine disruptors, and this is really one of the very important parts of this course, right? Because the exponential increase in endocrine disruptors such as xenoestrogens, pesticides, plastics, and EMFs have been really increasing the past 10 years. And this, of course, disrupts our endocrine systems as men. So, endocrine disruptors, ED, are chemical compounds that interfere with the normal functioning of our endocrine system and reproductive organs and other biological processes regulated by it. In this part of the course, we will discuss the three main ones: xenoestrogens, PUFAs or polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are actually also acting estrogenic, and non-native EMFs, so man-made electromagnetic fields. To begin with the xenoestrogens, I would like to go to the etymology of the word. So we can derive xenos from the ancient Greek, and this means foreign, and therefore a foreign estrogen that is recognized by the body, but it has disturbing effects on the hormonal system. So xenoestrogens can temporarily or permanently alter the feedback loops between the brain and pituitary gland with other glands such as the gonads and the thyroid by mimicking the effects of estrogen. So they either disturb these feedback loops or they can bind to their receptors of the hormones of the estrogen receptor and therefore block the action of our natural hormones, of our natural made estrogens. So what do xenoestrogens do? They disturb the feedback loop to the brain, and therefore they disturb the hormonal releases. They also increase SHBG in the liver and therefore lowering free testosterone, and they can increase aromatase activity and therefore flipping testosterone into estrogen. So as you can see, xenoestrogens are very aggressive forms of man-made estrogens. In this part of the course, you will learn what the main detoxification pathways are, how you can support these pathways, how you can bind and safely eliminate xenoestrogens, and various strategies to prevent xenoestrogen exposure, also strategies for detoxification of xenos and PUFAs, and how you can get pure water and what to look for in a quality water filtration system. So, how do we go by eliminating or detoxifying these xenoestrogens? Well, we will go through the various pathways like methylation, glutathione pathway, and glucuronidation, which are the main pathways of xenoestrogen detoxification. And then we will see certain strategies and how we can get pure water or filter water to make it more pure. So the main pathways happen in the liver, and the first one is the methylation pathway. So methylation is basically attaching a methyl group, which is CH3, from one molecule to the xenoestrogen molecule. And what do we need? Therefore, we need folate, which is found in liver, kidney, dark leafy greens, beetroots, fruits, and fruit juices. But we also need copper, and copper is primarily found in organ meats. So copper also drives this methylation pathway. We need choline. So choline is also a methyl donor, and choline is abundantly found in liver and egg yolks and also in fish eggs. But liver and egg yolks will be the primarily source. Then we have betaine or trimethylglycine, and this is found in spinach and beets. And we need to consider as well that methylation is required to make glutathione. So glutathione depends on methylation and therefore also on copper. We don't need to take glutathione as a supplement necessarily. We can actually make it and recycle it if we have the adequate amounts of trace minerals like copper and selenium and B vitamins and other minerals like magnesium. A nice addition is reishi mushroom. So this is a medicinal mushroom that protects the liver against all kinds of toxins, and it aids in the detoxification process, especially also in glutathione. The next pathway is glucuronidation. For this, we will need glucuronic acid, and this is found in fruits and vegetables. So, where can we find it? In all kinds of citrus fruit, like lemons, grapefruit, oranges, but also in berries and apples. Regarding vegetables, we find them in cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, maca root, etc. And other application is to take oral calcium D-glucarate as a supplement, and this can increase the rate of estrogen metabolism, so the detoxification of estrogens. I would, of course, focus on getting in healthy fruits and vegetables.